Okay, so today is March 11. So bali ngayon, pupunta kami sa meet namin yung ANS rep kasi i-present niya yung drawing and yung completed drawing ng bahay. So i-present niya yun. Then afterwards, we are going doon sa pinaka house. Papakita namin kila kasi yung model design ng house. Kaya yan, exciting.
Sa 18. Yung group?
Hi. Uy, yan pala yung Hi, Miss Jen.
Hi.
May dimensions na.
Go ahead.
Doon sa may office, sa may bandang dun sa may ano. Oh, wow. Yan pala yung tinatawag nilang drawing. Parang sa Pilipinas, tawagin blueprint.
Yes. Blueprint din.
Oh, blueprint. Taro.
So
Okay.
this one will be yours. This one is what you will sign. Okay? So
Okay.
I'll go page by page.
This
from
is okay.
Tapos yeah. So and then you will sign it.
Okay.
So yung sa first natin, kasi di ba nag-ano tayo yung clarify lang niya. Clarification to Schedule B. Ensuite shower model is S603, not 602 based on layout. Kasi yung seat na hiningi natin should be opposite yung shower.
Okay.
So clarify lang nila na S603 yun, hindi 602. So let's look at it sa ensuite.
Ito yung sa suite na yung...
Yung sa master po.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So sa master bedroom, yeah. So dito siya, kumbaga, nandito kasi yung, page 8.
Page 8.
Yeah.
Yung... Yeah.
Yeah, kasi yung shower head mo is here, kaya yung seat niya nandito. Kasi
Okay.
yung una na ginawa sa change order, dito kasi yung seat. So it doesn't make sense na nandun yung seat mo and nandun din yung shower.
So, pinantay niya lang yung...
Inano lang nila. Kasi, eto kasi is, the floor plans is looked at by the tradespeople. So, minsan hindi sila nag-iisip kung ano lang nakalagay dito. So,
Okay.
if it doesn't make sense na ba't kaya yung upuan nandun sa baba ng shower, they'll do it kasi yun yung nakalagay sa plans.
Okay.
And even if it doesn't make sense, that's why they had to clarify it here para yung mga naggagawa ng bahay, they'll know. 4 pot lights included sa kitchen, 4 pot lights sa great room, 2 na pendant light, and then you paid for the electrical switch, and then 2 garage sconces light fixtures included, lighting as per plan. So let's go to page 11. Okay. So, itong page na to, again, these are footnotes or notes para sa mga tradespeople. So, they'll read this, ganun, gaano kakapal yung swing door, gaano ang distance niya sa wall, yung mga ganun. So, these are structural notes and general notes for construction lang. Okay? But it's good to have, and you will have this here as your copy anyway. So, in the future, when you wanna do something to your basement or to your walls, dito kayo magre-refer. And yung contractor, ito yung magre-refer sila. Okay? So, this is the ones that's in the city as well.
Okay.
Okay? So, initial lang po tayo here. Next one. So, yung base plan ng ARTA, aside from the base plan, ano yung mga dinagdag sa inyo? So, you'd had extended countertop on island. Yes, yung ganito po. Tapos, stone exterior. Tapos, yung 600 series shower ensuite, Nevada fireplace, loft change to bedroom, laundry move to basement, tsaka 21 by 21 garage. Okay? It's
2 cars.
So, this is your site plan. So, pag pumunta po kayo sa property, you will see yung mga muhon, ganun. So, alam nyo kung saan kayo magfe-fence in the future.
Ano ba yung mukhang yung blue?
Yeah, that would be the orange. Yung sa mga orange na yan.
I see.
Ganyan.
Yan.
So, you'll know. Apo. Ito yung sa property lines. Yeah, so yung property lines, kayo yung shape nyo kasi is pa ganun. Yung property nyo. So, paliit siya mas wide siya sa front, tapos mas ano siya sa likod. So, pag nag-grass kayo and everything, mas wider yung side nyo.
Let's go, Arya! Iwanan ka nila. So, baling ang titignan namin ngayon yung Grus. Yung model ng ARTA na papagawa namin. So, ito yan, oh. Nagawa na nga nila kaagad, no? Oh, look at that. Ito yung walang pintuan. Ito na yung tsura, ma.
Baka sister Benedict siguro. Wala na tayong table na ito na lang.
Hindi ba ito? Dito, lalagyan mo siya dito. Yeah.
Lagyan natin ng ano.
Yeah. Yung isa, ma. Yeah.
Takpan lang natin ng magandang.
Ito yan, dito.
Oo, magandang dating dito. Ito. Ito. Sa'yo na yan. Maliguan mo, ikaw lang mag-isa maliligo dyan. Ayan o.
Ito yung magiging kwarto ko. Hindi ko pinalok ito. Magiging kwarto na ito. Magiging kwarto to. Tapos magiging walk-in closet to. Ito magiging kwarto ni Arya.
Isasarado nila to, ma.
Pina-convert na kasi ito ng isang kwarto. Dapat ganito to.
Pero hindi dapat kwarto.
Dapat ganito. Pina-convert kong kwarto. Tama. And then ito.
Kasi sayang eh.
Ito master's bedroom na.
Mommy, I want this room. Mommy, I want this
Kasi.
I want this one.
This is your room, kasi.
This one's bigger.
Hindi naman siya masikip.
Stop. Stop kay Kasi.
Ito yung walk-in closet sa main bedroom. Excited yung mga bata.
This is your washroom, really. Huwag mo siya mag-washroom.
Okay, then I will have that.
You can have, this is the one cell. You know,
Kasi,
you can keep a little bit here.
Kasi, this is going to be the bedroom. You want this one? No, they will close it. Kasi, they will close this. They will make it sa bedroom.
Oh, daddy, ikaw na mag-decide.
Bakit? Saan sa'yo?
I want that room. Kasi wants this room too because it's bigger. I think Kasi should have that room because when Kasi's
It's the
growing
same
up.
thing.
No, we measured it.
No, it's the same thing.
Oh, dito na lang ako.
Ano? Mas malaki nga to.
Sino tatampo? Nasaan na yung
Yeah.
master bedroom?
Nandun sa kabila ko, Bill.
Kasi needs bigger
Ay,
space.
parang to be fair, mag-ano sila.
But,
No!
kung sino pinakamabait?
Kasi needs more
Rock,
space.
paper, scissors.
Rishi, you need to build it.
Kasi's older. Kasi's older. She needs more space.
Make it fair, we should get all it.
Okay.
Dito ka na lang.
Malaki.
Ka na mag-adjust.
Ito yung sa ano,
Look at
washroom.
my washroom, Rishi.
Pinaganyan namin.
Rishi, you can have my washroom. Daddy, nakita mo ba yung ano, yung lalagyan ng TV nila? Ganun na
So, na-convert niyo yung loft niyo sa kwarto, hindi?
Oo, na-convert.
Sa amin, hindi pwede.
Kailangan lagyan ng bintana.
Daddy, tingnan mo ito magiging shower, oh.
Kasi ang laki, kasi katapat ng bintana yan eh. Sakto na yun eh. Ito yung sasara siguro nila dito. Tapos pag ganun.
Maganda kung may sasarali mo to.
Sinarahan, dapat yan yung laundry. Laundry dapat yan. Pero, since pina-convert ng...
Binaba mo.
Binaba ko.
Arya.
Kaya doon kami hindi nagkakaintindihan eh. Dahil lalaban din ako. Stay na lang ako sa mga ito, baka abin nyo. Hey, yo!
Halika na dito.
Wala. Meron pa rin naman bahay. Tinakot.